And that one. Look, Dad, hurry.
Hold on there, little guy. How about this?
Wow. Chili Pilly. Chili Pilly, Chili Pilly, Chili Pilly.
Enough, Rhea. I agree you like him. Let me just check out his latest books.
Look at this one, Mom. Healthy Habits. Can we get it?
Let me see. I want to make sure it's the right choice.
Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice. Your son seems to really enjoy this character. Do you recommend the book? Books?
Oh, absolutely. This one is excellent.
Really?
The books are wonderful. They're actually written by Chili Pilly himself from Chandramari International School. He loves kids, and they love him as well.
Oh, wow. Can I see a sample?
Just look at this section on healthy habits. They frame the rules perfectly.
Keep your sleepiness clear and bright. Wash your hands with soap and light. Keep those tiny germs away. Stay healthy every single day. Eat your veggies, red and green. The healthiest plate you've ever seen. Drink fresh water, clear and cool. It keeps you sharp and feeling full. Move and play, run and jump. Keep your body out of a slump. When the evening stars appear, sleep enough, have no fear. Rest your mind and grow so tall. Wake up smiling best of all. Brush your teeth, morning and night. Keep your smile shining bright.
Follow these steps every day and be the healthiest kid in every way.
Thank you, everyone. Yours loving, Chili Pilly.